Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have a humongous Nordstrom anniversary sale beauty haul to share with you. Whew, that bag is heavy. Anyways, in today's video I'm not only going to share with you everything I just purchased at the Nordstrom anniversary sale, but also in this video I'm going to share with you my most recommended products from this sale, because there are thousands of products available on this Nordstrom anniversary sale, and so I want to help you narrow down your options so that you get the best of the best that you can. As per usual, I have every single recommendation listed and linked in the description box below, so please head over to my description box so you can find whatever item you are interested in. A lot of the ones I'm going to mention, I have the suspicion will sell out. Now before we get started, I want to share with you this video has been kindly sponsored by Nordstrom, so thank you so much Nordstrom for partnering with me in today's video. You guys know I love luxury beauty, and Nordstrom has a very special place in my heart because I used to work there. I worked there for a couple of years as a counter manager in their beauty department, and let me tell you, the Nordstrom anniversary sale is a huge deal. This year, by what I was reading, is their 125th anniversary, so they're making this sale better and bigger than ever. The Nordstrom anniversary sale is special and different from other retailers because they're not only selling you their products discounted, they are bringing you brand new products at a discounted price that will then go up in price after the sale is over. This year the public sale is from July 18th till August 9th, and so after August 9th a lot of the prices will go back to normal, so make sure to head down to the description box and shop those links if you're interested. Now the Nordstrom anniversary sale doesn't only include beauty, which is what I'll be focusing on today. They have clothes, they have accessories, shoes, things for your home. Honestly, anything you can imagine is included in this sale, so I highly recommend that you check it out. Now if you're curious to see what I personally got from this sale, let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to show you was the very first thing I added to my cart. This right here from Living Proof. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo Duo. This is $44 and it is a $66 value. If you've ever tried the Living Proof Dry Shampoo, you know it is the best on the market. I have been obsessed with it for years, and so whenever a product that I personally use on an almost daily basis is on sale, we must grab it, right? I don't know about you, but I personally don't like washing my hair super often, so a dry shampoo is a must-have for me. This one is lightweight. If you don't use a lot of it, it does not leave a white cast if you have super dark hair like I do. And you immediately feel your hair get a little fuller. The excess oil goes away. This dry shampoo claims to actually clean your hair. This is another product that has been a staple for me for so many years. And so to get a set of two at a discounted price is incredible. So needless to say, this is another product I highly recommend to get during this Nordstrom anniversary sale. I gotta say, I feel like I did a pretty practical beauty haul this time around because I got all products that I know I will not just use but finish. By the way, if you like my makeup today, I did a full face of my favorite luxury beauty products you can find at Nordstrom. So if you have any questions about anything I am wearing on my face right now, check the description box for the details. Now let's move on to the next product I bought, which is this right here. This is the Exfoliate and Glow Body Trio from Osha. Check it out right there. I haven't tried every single product in here, but the ones I have tried in the past I love, and so I expect the other ones to be just as good. This is $70 and it is a $116 value. My favorite thing from here, and the product I have tried in the past and loved, is the Ondaria Algae Body Oil from Osha. You get a full size and a travel size in here, and then the one that I haven't tried yet is the Salt of Earth Body Scrub, but that's got to be amazing, right? I want to smell it so bad because I love the smell of the Osha body oil. Now I gotta say, the Osha body oil smells amazing, but that's not even my favorite thing about it. My favorite thing about it is how good it feels on the skin because this body oil hydrates, but it doesn't feel greasy or sticky. It somehow just melts into the skin and like it penetrates your skin. It's so good. Here's the full size. This has the Allure Award for last year. And then here is the travel size. It says it is clinically shown to instantly improve the look of skin, elasticity, and deeply moisturize. Our seaweed infused body oil softens, nourishes, and visibly firms like no other. Rich yet never greasy. That's what I was telling you about. This intoxicating elixir enhances every inch for a silky, smooth, full body glow. It says you can massage it into dry or damp skin and you can use it morning and night. I'm going to show you guys. Check it out right there. It is incredible. It smells like citrus, makes the skin very hydrated, very nice and glowy, and it doesn't feel heavy. It just kind of sinks into your skin so nicely. I'm going to make myself even. Like I said, the body oil is the product that I have tried and loved in the past, so I knew I wanted to restock on this one. But I want to smell the body scrub because I am hoping it smells the same. I love the citrus scent of it. This one says skin softening scrub transforms into a targeted resurfacing treatment as you work it into the skin. Mineral rich salts from around the world buff away roughness, while shea butter and wild gigartinia seaweed nourish for silky smooth glowing skin. A unique sensory experience that leaves you feeling brand new. And it's a huge jar. Check out what it looks like on the inside. It doesn't have the exact same smell, but it smells really good. Still a little citrusy and definitely also salty, which I'm gathering is from the actual salt in there. My next purchase is one that I look forward to making every anniversary sale if I need this product when the anniversary sale is about to happen. Sometimes I skip a year if I'm stocked up, but I always need this product and it is always best to grab it during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. No better price out there available that I have seen at least, and that is the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist Deodorant Set. You get 3 deodorants from Donna Karan in this set. It is a $96 value for $72. This has been my favorite deodorant for so many years now. It smells so incredibly delicious. But honestly, even though it smells incredible, that's not even the strongest selling point for this one. This will not let you stink, okay? This is the most like protective deodorant. This is for like sweaty girls, especially for sweaty girls during like summertime. This is the best deodorant I have ever tried, which is why I always want to restock on it whenever it comes out. I have tried the aluminum-free deodorants and I cannot do the aluminum-free deodorants. That life is not for me. I need a strong deodorant. I prefer one that has an incredible smell, and this right here never disappoints. The smell of it is so good, and we are applying it immediately. I looked up the notes of the fragrance for you. It says it is a powdery, floral, woody musk fragrance. Top notes are bright, refreshing bergamot. Middle notes are Moroccan jasmine, lily of the valley, and suede. And then the base notes are sandalwood, amber, vanilla, cashmere wood, and musk. I feel like a lot of those notes are notes that I find in a lot of my favorite fragrances, so no wonder I love this deodorant. It is so good. I'm going to take my lipstick off because I want to show you this lip combo right here. This is the Satin Soft Lip Combo from MAC Cosmetics. There's a pink duo and a neutral duo. This is the neutral duo, which has the very popular MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. I absolutely love that lip liner color, and it also has a lipstick. The lipstick shade is Cream in Your Coffee, and I want to put these on right now. Lipstick off. Let's go ahead and apply MAC Whirl. Here is the lip liner applied and the lipstick in the shade Cream in Your Coffee. Are you kidding? That looks so good. I love it. And this lip combo for fall is going to be absolute perfection. There are 2 more products in this haul that I need to share with you. One of them is this right here. I went ahead and got this Nest New York Himalayan Salt and Rose Water set. I love Nest candles. I love Nest diffusers. I gotta say, I really love the girly look of this set right here. And this is about to make my house smell so good. This is a $115 value for $71. Here's the stunning diffuser with the little diffuser sticks. If there's a special name for these, let me know in the comment section. This smells so good. And then here is the lovely candle from Nest. Very excited to burn this one right away. Absolutely love the scent of it. This has notes of rose water, geranium, salted amber, and white woods. And it says this serene blend is going to leave you feeling comforted and relaxed. And then the last thing I bought is one for me, one for my mini-me, and that is this right here, the Tangle Teaser. I don't know how many Tangle Teasers are too many, but I've had mine for quite a few years now. It's looking a little ragged. I feel like it could use an update, so I got me a new one. Now Evelyn's is brand new, but I got her another one because hers was practically free. This is a $31 value for $21, and you get a full-size Tangle Teaser and a travel size Tangle Teaser. Here is the big one for me. I feel like this stunning chrome pink color was definitely a big factor for which I bought it because I love the color of it. Mine is like blue. And then here is the little travel size one, which, you know what, now that I think about it, I will start using right away with Evelyn as well, because the one that I bought her recently I got for super fine hair, and I feel like it's too soft for her hair. So I feel like this one's going to be even better. I love the Tangle Teaser brushes. These never, ever, ever pull. And they're also very easy to clean because a lot of brushes have those little balls on the tips of the bristles, and then dirt gets trapped on the little stem, I'm gonna call it, and the little bulb doesn't let it come out. These are super easy to clean. I'm done with the products that I purchased for myself, but I do have a few others that I want to share with you that are highly recommended from me. I didn't purchase them because I already have them, and so I didn't need them, but if I didn't have them, I would have purchased them. So if you need or want any of the following, definitely go for them. First things first, BK Beauty's best-selling brushes. The Holy Grail Brush Trio is part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. You get their foundation brush, their concealer brush, and the one in the middle, which I personally use to blend out my blushes and bronzers. I just in fact used my middle one when I was doing my makeup today to blend out my blush. These are my absolute most favorite brushes from BK Beauty. They truly make makeup application very easy, very fast, and very flawless. So if you don't have these BK Beauty brushes yet, I highly recommend you get your hands on them. Another product I have and love is the Armani Cheek Tint Liquid Blushes. And Nordstrom has a duo, which is an $80 value for $53, which includes the shade Delicate Mauve, shade 62. And I think that is probably their best selling shade. It is the blush that I am wearing today. I put it on so I could show you. I love Armani blush number 62. Delicate Mauve. It is very natural looking, extremely flattering on the face. And this formula of liquid blushes from Armani is absolutely lovely. Very easy to apply, blends and melts into your skin like an absolute dream. Very long lasting. I have no notes for this blush. So if you're interested, definitely get your hands on this blush duo right here because you're not going to regret it. They have a YSL Libre Eau de Parfum set. It's a $228 value for $153. Libre from YSL is one of my favorite perfumes. It continues to be one that I gravitate towards. The moment I finish a bottle, I buy another one. I always want to have it at hand. The main notes are vanilla bourbon, orange blossom, and diva lavender. Now, if you don't like lavender scents, because I don't like lavender scents, I promise you, it might be a note in there, and I'm sure it contributes in some way, but it doesn't smell like lavender. I always like to clarify that because I personally don't like lavender scents, but you don't really feel it on this one, and it's like rich and sexy and like just long lasting and strong. I feel like a powerful woman when I'm wearing this one, okay? So highly recommended, and this set is a really good value. The other product that is an absolute staple that everyone needs to have is the Shea Butter Hand Cream. And the duo is a $68 value for $42. You get two of these massive hand creams. I promise you, you can use these every day. A little bit goes a very long way. And so this set will last you years. The L'Occitane hand cream is how I unwind for the day, okay? I sit in my bed at night, I take my rings off, and I put this hand cream on my hands. And I promise you, I'm not exaggerating. It helps me relax. The scent is incredible. It feels like actual butter on my hands. It sinks in beautifully. I always finish rubbing it on my hands and go like this, this because I love the smell of it so much, and it like helps my brain relax for the night. I cannot possibly recommend a hand cream more than this one ever. It's my favorite. And then the last product that I want to make sure you guys know is part of this Nordstrom anniversary sale, also from L'Occitane, is their shower in almond gift set. This is a $95 value. You can get it for $62, and it has 2 big sizes of the L'Occitane almond shower oil. I feel like I've been saying this one for everything, but this is like a haul of like staples for me. I cannot live without this one in my shower. I use it every single day. I usually do a double lather, if you will. I do a soap bar first, and then once I feel like I'm clean, I do a second lather of the L'Occitane shower oil. That's just the way I like to use it. And when I lather it on, I let it sit on my skin for a couple of minutes before rinsing it off. Oh, again, one of the best parts of my night. As I said at the beginning of the video, there are countless products that are part of this Nordstrom anniversary sale, so definitely check out their catalog, which I'll leave you linked down below in the description box so you can see for yourself everything this sale has to offer. I want to give a huge thank you to Nordstrom for partnering with me in today's video, and I truly hope that you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to please give this video a thumbs up. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye bye.